Hi, welcome to the first episode of the StuCred Premier League Podcast. We'll talk everything and anything about IPL here. Today we are going to talk about CSK. What do you think about CSK's batting and how much would you rate it out of 10?
So for CSK batting, I would give 8.5. If Dhoni has that form, I can give till 9 because they have the batting position depth till 8.
Okay. I personally would give it a 7, 7.5, not more than that. I think bowling is where we excel. What do you think about bowling and how much
So
would you rate
for
it?
bowling, I can give 7.5 because they don't have star pacer and so they don't have much pacer in the team. If they are playing in CSK, they would manage with the spinners. If not, it would be difficult for them.
Okay. I think I'll give it a 9. Firstly, because CSK's home pitch Chepak is a spin friendly, so we will excel in that. If it is outside Chennai, we still have Khalil Ahmed, we still have Sam Curran, and Patirana always saves the day for CSK. Who do you think will be the top 3 performers for CSK this season?
So my top 3 performance for CSK is Gaikwad, and then Dubey, and then Rahul Tripathi.
For me, it will be Rachin Ravindra, Matish Patirana, and I think it will be Ashwin for me. I think Ashwin will contribute a lot this season for CSK. And finally, where do you think CSK will be at the table after the
So
season?
I can say fifth or sixth position.
I see CSK being in the top 4. I think they'll be finished at the second position for me.
Thank you for watching SPL. Comment down your favorite team.